In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to make a 3D animated text in Filmora 12. The 3D titles are only available in Filmora 12, so make sure to do your update. Before we start the video, go in my description and get a subscription on Elements Envato for the best stock footage. Also make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video. We are almost at 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much for the support, guys. Firstly, open Filmora 12. After that, to access the 3D titles templates, go in Titles and then go in 3D Titles. As you can see, there are a lot of templates from which you can choose. I will show you some of them. Okay, so there's another way to access the 3D titles. You go in Titles and then add the basic text. After that, click on the text and click on Advance. Now go here and click on Quick 3D Text. This will automatically add a 3D title to your timeline. Now we can delete the standard text. And let's play around with this 3D title. I'm gonna change the font to Aware. As you can see, there are a lot of 3D presets, and you can check them out yourself. Now let's see what animations can we use for our 3D text. These animations are the ones that are gonna get the intro 3D animations. And in the section animation out, as you can see, these are outrow animations for the 3D titles. But honestly, I don't like the outrow animations, so what I'm gonna do is go in Transitions and add a 3D transition at the end of the text. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.